Hello, in this video, I am going to be teaching you how you can check your JAMB result on your JAMB portal. I mean on the JAMB official portal. So all you need to do is to open your Chrome browser. All right, and then you click on this search bar here and you want to search for JAMB portal. Once you do this, instead of searching for JAMB portal, you can decide to search for efacility.jamb.gov.ng, which we are seeing on your screen. So all you need to do is to click on it the moment it opens up. Now, it's asking you to log into your account here. Please note, for you to log in, you need an email address and a password. An email address and a password. Now, for you to get this, you will input your email here and you input your password there. But then I understand that some people may face a challenge of not knowing their email. All right, so what you are going to do if you don't know your email is to click on this forgot password. All right, so the moment this page opens up, you want to input the email you think that you are using. All right, that is the email in your own mind, or the supposed email they use in registering for you. And sometimes the issue may be that when you are registering for the JAMB, you are using that particular email, but now you are no longer using it. Or maybe some of you used the email of your parents and now the email has been deleted. Anything could have happened for you not to be able to access the email again. So if anything like that happens, just send a text to me on WhatsApp. All right. But then if you still know the email, but you have forgotten the password, just put the email here and click on password reset. And they will send a message to your email with a link for you to actually reset your password. All right. So for those of you that actually know your password and your email, let's go back to login. All you need to do, input your email, like I said, and your password. So the moment you log in, this is what is going to bring out for you. All right. So what you can do is actually to check one after the other. This is my profile. Now registration, part-time registration, sandwich, UTM data collection, registration for direct entry. Now this is where we are actually going. You want to print result slip. Mind you, after gaining admission, you will be able to print your admission letter here. But then the aim of this video is for me to teach you how to print your result slip. So you click on print result slip. Now it will come here and it will bring out the year that you have actually done your UTME. All right. And then you click on this print result slip. When you click on print result slip, you will be requested to pay a particular amount of money. Just pay. It's very, very straightforward and not stressful at all. All right. And immediately after doing that, click on print result slip. And then it will be downloaded as PDF. You can see it here on your phone, and then you'll be able to access your JAMB result. So yes, this is how to actually check your JAMB result on the portal and how you can actually download it without necessarily going to any cafe center. It is safe. I mean, the moment you pay, it is safe. It is safe. It is a Nigerian network, so you will not have any problem with it whatsoever. So I wish you success in your journey to gain admission into your institution of choice. Bye.